timer starts now.
Ito,
Hindi.
bagay, ayaw,
Wondering what they're playing? This game is called Pinoy Henyo. It is a popular game which originated in 2004 and quickly became a cultural phenomenon in the Philippines. In this game, two players work together, in which the guesser determines a specific word by asking a yes or no question, while the other player, the provider, only answers yes, no, maybe, or can be. This game is classified in various categories: the object, the person, place, or food. In this game, you'll be needing a time set, a pad paper, any writing material, two pairs of chairs, and a timer. The skills needed in this game is quick thinking and time management. Pinoy Henyo is classified as a verbal game, in which can be played indoor or outdoor.
The rules of this game is simple. Two teams must consist of two players, one guesser and one responder. The responder is given a word that the guesser must identify within strictly time limit, while on the other hand, the guesser asks a series of yes or no questions to get to know the word.
To start the game, both teams will do the jack and boy, and the winner team will decide whether to pass or to play. Let's start. Pass or play?
To determine the winner and to end the game, the guesser must identify the given word within time limit, and thus the game ends. How to play the game? First, both teams will do the jack and boy, and the winner will decide whether to pass or to play. The game begins when the timer is activated, marking the start of the guessing period. Next, the guesser quickly asks questions to narrow down the possibilities. The responder can only reply yes, no, maybe, or can be. And lastly, if the guesser successfully identifies the word within the allotted time, the team scores a point or wins the round, depending on the format of the game being played. If the timer runs out before the word is guessed, the team does not score.
ito, piko,
Oo, 30 seconds.
tao,
Hindi.
bagay,
Hindi.
ayaw,
Hindi.
lugar, laro,
Oo, 10 seconds.
verbal,
Hindi.
physical, international,
Hindi.
traditional,
Oo. Time. Next team we have Kat and Athea. Your 1 minute starts now. Oo. Last 30 seconds. Oo. Oo. Pwede, pwede. Tapos, 15 seconds. Pwede. Last 5. Oo. Time. The winner of this round is Anthea and Kat for having 2 points.